Yes, good morning, Junior 6. Let's now revise on April month. Yes, let's solve the revision. Yes, by using your calculator, you can do this question. It will be 0. Circumference of circle. Yes, all of us know that C equals 2 pi r's. We have here pi. Okay, so what is the rest? 2r, 2r. So the rest is 2r. Here we have 2 power 3 times 2 power 5. Okay, we have the same bases. Take one only, and 3 plus 5, 8. And down put 2 to the power 2. Now we divide them. We have the like bases. 2 and 8 minus 2. It will be 6. And 2 power 6. It will be 64. It will be 64. Next, the question 2 to the power 5 times 2 power 2. We have 2 as a like bases. Okay, then take 1 and 5 plus 2 equal 7. It will be 2 to the power 7. And you can check this answer if is it right or wrong by using your calculator. Okay, put this in your calculator. It will be 2 power 7, and 2 power 7 it will be 128, and show which one of them give you 128. Surface area equals A equal pi r squared. So we have here pi and cancel by the rest. It will be r squared. By using your calculator, the answer will be 100. And which one of them gives you 100? Yes, actually is 10 to the power 2. Sum of edge length of a cube is 84. Then the lateral area equals. To get the lateral area of cube, you should have area of one face or edge length. To get lateral or total, here I have the sum of edges, so you should divide this by 12 because the sum of edge length 84 and the number of edges is 12. So divide the sum by 12 to get edge. So edge equals 84 divided by 12. It will be 7 centimeter. 7 centimeters. So now he wants lateral area. It means side times side. Lateral area equals side times 4. It will be 7 times 7 times 4. It will be 7 times 7 times 4, 196. 196. Complete in the same pattern. 1 over 3, 2 over 3. 1 you can replace it as 3 over 3, 4 over 3. Yes, the next 5 over 3, 6 over 3, or 2. Take care. If you put 6 over 3 in your calculator, the answer will be 2. Maybe in the choices you don't have 6 over 3, but you have 2. Please choose 2. Next, lateral area of cube is 36. Then total area. Again, to get lateral area, you have to get area of one face or edge. I have here lateral area. If we draw the magic triangle, okay, lateral area equals area of one face times 4. To get area of one face, here divide what? Lateral area over 4. So area of one face equal lateral area divided 4. So 36 divided 4, it will be 9 centimeters squared. Now multiply area of one face times what? To get total area times 6. So 9 times 6 equals 54 centimeters squared. By using your calculator, the answer will be 1. Same pattern. 1, 4, 7, 10. If you add 3 to 1, 1 plus 3, it will be 4. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, then 10 plus 3 13, and 13 plus 3 16. Cuboid lateral area 120 and the perimeter of its base 20, then the height from the magic triangle of the lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. If you want the height, hide the height. What is the rest? Lateral area divided perimeter of the base. Lateral area divided perimeter of the base. Lateral area equals what, Mr.? 120, and perimeter of the base equals 20, so the result will be, yes, will be 6 centimeter. Yes, very good. The same question here. 8 power 3 times 8 power 4, take 1 and add the powers, it will be 7, and here 8 power 7 the same, the result will be 1. 5 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2. You can get this by using calculator. Take care, this is not like bases, huh? Okay, so it will be 100. Which one gives you 100? Yes, actually 10 power 2. Negative 1 power 0 equals 1, and 0 power 2 equals 0. So set of 1 and 0, yes, is subset from Z because 0 and 1 in Z. 5 to the power 0 equals, yes, 1. Any number power 0 equal 1. Next, the sum of edge lengths of cube 96 lateral area is the same. If you see the sum of edge lengths, you can divide them by 12. So if you divide 96 by 12, the result will be 8. So now the edge length equal 8 centimeter. Now lateral area equal edge times 4. So 8 times 8 times 4, it will be 256. Here 25, yes, becomes 21, so minus 4. 21 minus 17, yes, minus 4. Here minus 4, and 13 minus 4 equals 9. Minus 4 the same, equals 5. By using your calculator, 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Here 3 to the power 5, divide 3 power 2, take 1, 3, and 5 minus 2, 3 to equals 3 power 3. If you don't know the answer, you can put it in your calculator and check if your answer is right or wrong. 9 power 2, negative 3 power 4. 9 power 2, if you put it in your calculator, it will be 81, and here the same 81, so it will be equal. Please put them in your calculator first. Okay, don't be hurry if you see negative or positive. A circle of diameter 10, then its area. Firstly, in the lesson of circle, you look up for only the radius, so I don't want the diameter. To get the radius from diameter, only divided this by 2. Okay, so now diameter equal radius equal diameter by 2, divided by 2 equals 5 centimeters. Now area equals pi r squared equals 22 over 7 times 10 power 2. It will be, I'm sorry, 5 power 2. Yes, it will be 78.5. In the same pattern, 1 1 1 up, yes, it will be 1 1. Here 3 times what equals 6 times 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. So 24 times 2 the same, equals 48, and 48 times 2 it will be 96. any number raised to the 0 power equal 1. Lateral area equal area of one face times 4. Here division, the same base, so take 1 and subtract the powers. 7 minus 5 will be 2. Or check it by using calculator. Next number to this pattern, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Let's try to show how many numbers does he add to the first number to get the second number. 2 plus what equal 3? 2 plus 1. 3 plus what equal 5 plus 2. 5 plus what equal 8? 3. It's okay. 8 plus what equal 13? Yes, 5, not 4. So this pattern, it doesn't work. This pattern, it doesn't work. So now let's try another method. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 3 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 8 equals 13. So now I can add 8 to 13. It will be 21. Circle of diameter length 8, then its area equal dot pi. Take care of this pi. Yes, this question 29 is different of what 23. Why, mister? This question he gives me dots only, and here he gives me pi. If he gives you pi, the rule will be like that. E equals pi r squared. If you have pi here or in choices, cancel pi from your rule, and the rule becomes now area equals r squared. So do you have radius now? No, take care, you have diameter. I don't want diameter, so divided 8 by 2, it will be 4. So now area equals r power 2, it means 4 power 2, it will be 16. Next, negative 19 power 0, yes, by using calculator it will be 2. Height of cuboid whose lateral area 160, dimensions of its base 3 and 7 equals. Firstly, you want to get height, so you should draw the magic triangle. Lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. Okay, I want height, so hide height. If you hide the height equals what? Lateral area up, the rest down, perimeter of the base. Yes, do you have lateral area? Yes, mister, 160. And do you have perimeter of the base? No, I have only length and width. So what is the area of perimeter of the base? The base like rectangle, so what is the perimeter of rectangle? Yes, length plus width times 2 equals length 3 plus 7 times 2, it will be 20. So the perimeter now is 20, so 160 divided 20, it will be 8 centimeter. So now the height is 8. A cube, the perimeter of it is 36 in its lateral area. To get the lateral area, you should have, I said many times, area of one face or edge length. So here you have perimeter. So what is hidden behind the perimeter? P equals what? P equals side times 4, because it's square. So now side is hidden behind what? Perimeter. So side equals perimeter divided 4. So 36 divided 4, it will be 9 centimeter. Now lateral area equals what? Equals side 9 times lateral 4. It will be 9 times 9 times 4, it will be 324. By using calculator, the answer will be 0. Yes, take care. Put them in your calculator. This is not times, this is adding. Okay, the result will be 27. Okay, please, all the questions of repeated multiplication, put them in your calculator first to check your answer. Which one gives you 27? Yes, 3 power 3. Lateral area of cuboid 6 and width 4 and height 6. Lateral area is the same. Lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. Perimeter of the base equal length plus width times 2 times height. Length equals 6 plus 4 times 2 times 5. 6 plus 4 10 times 2 20 times 5 equals 100. So it is the result now 100 centimeter squared. A circle of diameter length 14, then its area. I said many times we don't need diameter. I need only radius. To get radius divided diameter by 2, it will be 7. So its area equals pi r squared equals 22 over 7 times 7 to the power 2. It will be 154. Last question here. If a equal 3, b equal negative 2, then 3ab. 3ab it means 3 times a times b. So it means 3 times 3 times negative 2. It means negative 30. I'm sorry, it means negative 18. Negative 18. Next. I said all the questions of repeat multiplication, put them in your calculator. Negative 9 power 3. Okay, it will be negative 729. But this equals 9. So which one is the greatest? Actually 9, because it is positive. Any positive, even it's very small, is very big if we convert this by negative number. So this is the greatest. Lateral surface area, LSA, it means lateral area, the same, of the cuboid whose dimension 3, 4 and 0.6 decimeter. Take care, before solving the question you should convert this into centimeter, because the rest of the units are centimeters. So to convert from decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 10. Yes, it will be 6 centimeter. Now you can get it easily. Lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height, equal length plus width times 2 times height. Length equal 3 plus 4 times 2 times 6. 3 plus 4 7 times 2 14, 14 times 6. It will be 84 centimeter squared. Half total, yes, take care with this word, half. Total area of a cube whose sum of its edge is 36. Yes, we solved this question many times before. Divided this by 12 because this is a sum of edge length, it will be 3 centimeter. Now total area equals s times 6. It will be 3 times 3 times 6. It will be 54. Mister, is this the final answer? No, because he wants what? The half. What is the half of 54? You can divide it by 2 to know the half of it. Yes, it will be 27. 54 divided 2, it will be 27. The ratio between total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube. This question is very important. Ratio between total surface area and lateral surface area. Total area and lateral area. Ask yourself, how many sides of the total area? 6. And how many in lateral area? 4. By putting them in your calculator, the answer will be 3 over 2 or 3 to 2. If I give you the opposite, lateral area over total area, how many sides in lateral? 4. How many sides in total? 6. 4 divided 6, it will be 2 to 3 or 2 over 3. By putting them in your calculator, it will be 0. Next, 5 times 5 power 2. I consider this is raised to the first power, but we don't return 1, so I will put only 5 and add 1 plus 2 equals 3, 5 power 3, or you can check it by using your calculator. Circle, its circumference 44 and the length of its radius equal how many centimeters? This question from junior 5, but it's related to the area of circle that you have taught in this year. Let's draw the magic triangle of circumference. Circumference equals 2 pi r. You want radius, so hide the radius, so r equals c over 2 pi. C equals what? Equals 44. Yes, over 2 times 22 over 7, it will be 7 centimeter. A cube of edge length 6, lateral area. Lateral area, it means side or edge times side times 4, so 6 times 6 times 4, it will be 144. Lateral area of cube, area of one face times, yes, 4. Here we have like bases -5, add powers, 3 plus 2, 5, and here -5 power 4. We have the same bases, division, so it means subtracting powers. I take only one base, -5, 5 minus 4, 1, or -5, the same. By using your calculator, it will be 8. Lateral area of cube with side length 3. Lateral area, it means side times 4, so 3 times 3 times 4, it will be 36. Next, 2 power 6, 2 to the power 4, put only 2, and 6 plus 2, 6 plus 4 equal 10, or use your calculator, so it will be 2 power 10. Division, the same number by the same number, it will be 1. Circle, its diameter length 14. Yes, when you read the diameter 14, please cancel it and replace it with radius and divide this number by 2, it will be 7. And we have solved this question many times before, so it will be pi r squared as area equals 22 over 7 times 7 power 2, it will be 154. Cuboid whose side length 9 with 7 height 10. Lateral area, again lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. Please memorize all the rule of this lesson. Perimeter of the base, length plus width times 2 times height. Length equals 9 plus 7 times 2 times 10. Height 16 times 2, 32 times 10 equals 320, or using your calculator, it will be 320 centimeters squared. Radius length 10, then its surface area. Area equals pi r squared 22 over 7 times 10 to the power 2, it will be, by using calculator, 314. He gives me the radius, so it's okay to solve the question. If the edge length of cube 6, la total area equals e times 6 equals 6 times 6 times 6, it will be 216. 3 to the power 7 divided 3 to the power 4, take one base, the same base 3, and subtract 7 minus 3, it will be 3, it will be 3 to the power 3. Area of one face 9, then its total area. Again, if you want to get the total area, you should have one of the two options, area of one face and edge. Do you have area of one face? Yes, mister, I have area of one face, so multiply it only by 6 to get the total area, it will be 54. Next, the perimeter of one face of a cube is 12, then total area. I said before, if you have the perimeter divided it by 4 to get the side length, it will be 3. So total area now, side times 6, so 3 times 3 times 6, it will be 54. By using your calculator, this number will be 100, which 1 gives you 100, yes, 10 to the power 2. By using your calculator, the result will be 3. The same, put them in your calculator. This will be 36, and this is negative 12. Any positive is greater than any negative. Circle diameter 20. Yes, when you see diameter, cancel and put radius and divide it 2 automatically. It will be 10 centimeter. He want to get the area, so area equals pi r squared, 22 over 7 times 10 to the power 2. It will be 314 centimeters squared. By using your calculator, 2 minus 1, it will be 2 minus negative 3 to the power 0, it will be 1. Yes, by using your calculator. The sum of edge lengths, when you see the sum of edge lengths divided this by 12, it will be 2. Total area equal 2 times 2 times 6, side times 6, it will be 24. Additive inverse of this. Please remember me, what is the additive inverse? Additive inverse, it means change a sign. If it's positive, it will be negative, and the opposite. But before solving this question, please put it in your calculator. So negative 3 to the power 2, it will be 9. So this is not the final answer. You can here change its sign. 9 will be what? Yes, negative 9. So firstly, you should put this in your calculator before solving the question or changing the sign. If total area is 54, then area of one face. Draw the magic triangle here. Total area and area of one face times 6. To get the area of one face, dividing total area by 6, so 54 dividing by 6, it will be 9 centimeters squared. Yes, we have solved this as 9. Total area of cube, area of one face times 6, total 6, lateral 4. This 2, so we have like bases, so take 1 and 5 plus 2, 7. Or check by using calculator. A circle, its radius length 4, then its area equals dot pi. Take care of this pi. So the rule now, area equals pi r squared. If you have pi here or in choices, cancel this pi. The rule now becomes r power 2. Do you have r? Yes, I have radius, so equal 4 power 2, radius power 2, it will be 16. Put them in your calculator. Okay, this is 1, negative 1 and 1, it will be 1. Height of cuboid, lateral area 160, and dimensions of its base 3 and 7. The same. From the magic triangle, lateral area, perimeter of the base times height. Lateral area 160. Do you have here the perimeter of the base? No, so you can get it firstly. Perimeter of the base equals length plus width times 2. So length 7 plus 3 times 2 equals 20. So now the height equal 160 divided 20, it will be 8 centimeter. So it will be 8 centimeter. Next, lateral area of cuboid 3, width 2 and height 4. Lateral area, again lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height. It means length plus width times 2 times height. Length equals 3 plus 2 times 2 times height 4. 3 plus 2, 5 times 2, 10 times 4, 40 centimeters squared, so the final answer will be 40. Cube of edge length 6, total area equal E times 6. It will be 6 times 6 times 6, 216. The perimeter of the base of cuboid 10, the height 4, then the lateral area. Lateral area equals perimeter of the base times height, the same rule. So perimeter of the base 10 and height 4 times 4 equals 40. Total surface area of cuboid 100, area of one base 20, find the lateral area. Write the rule here. Total area equals lateral area plus 2 times area of the base. Total area here equals 100. Lateral area, I want lateral area, plus area of the base 20. So 2 times 20. So 100 equals lateral area plus 2 times 20 equals 40. Now lateral area equals which number plus 40 equals 100, or subtract 100, that's sum minus the number inside 40, so it will be 60 centimeters squared. So the number here is 60. Lateral area of cuboid 3, 2, 4, the same perimeter of the base times height, 3 plus 2